Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day.
Well, hello! Welcome to Melissa. My name is Van. So today I'll be doing an everyday makeup tutorial. I've been away from YouTube for months, so I think that I will come back with a video that has been highly requested ever since I started YouTube. I mean, from my friends, but you know. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. First, I'm applying a generous amount of Ultra MD sunscreen. Even though this is a makeup routine, I still want to emphasize the importance of using sunscreen, especially when you don't use foundation, which mostly contains some sort of SPF. Your skin will be completely bare against the sun, so this is the must. Eyebrow. I brush it up first, the most important part. You brush it down, so you can see where is the missing part of your eyebrows. When you draw eyebrows, make sure if you draw an imaginary line, your eyebrow's tail will end right in the forward helix. This way, your eyebrows will look natural and not weighting down your face, making you look sad or tired. Now I'm done with my eyebrows. It might look a lot to you, but don't worry, trust the process. As you can see, I have blemishes, dark spots, and dark circles. Instead of using concealer, I usually use cushion. This is Moonshot Micro Calming in shade 301. What I love about this is that it is not only lightweight, buildable, natural, but also has many skincare benefits. I can see my skin feels smoother and my pores seem smaller. I only do this when I really want to look presentable or my skin have problems such as severe acne that I don't want to expose it directly to the sun. Then I warm up my fingers and press on where the product was placed to make it look more natural and the product will stay on. I'm using a Q-tip to clean the lashes and eyelids. This will help clean all the greasiness from skincare or makeup products that's stuck during your skincare routine. These things could be the reason that your lashes don't hold up so well during the day. So at first, ever since you use this, I'm sorry, there's a... Alright, you're gonna start with the roots. Right here. Oh my god, it's so scary. Yeah, I'm so bad at filming, so let's make it easier for both of us. I section eyelashes in 3 parts: root, middle, and tip. These are where we're gonna curl our lashes. Start with the root. You know, people always like wave it down, but it scares the hell out of me, so I'm just gonna push it up. Count to 10, and you push it really hard one last time, and then you put it out. Do you see how different these 2 eyes? Right, same with this one. Now my both eyes are lift up and pop, and it looks really alive. The first base is with Ilia. I feel like I love them so much. Trust me, I've tried so many mascara you can ever imagine. Alright. Yeah. For second base, I go with Tarte Light Camera. You see the difference right here? Right, it's very dark. It's also very... Alright, we wait for it while we do something else. Alright, we're gonna come back to it later. Alright, the next step is the reason why I don't really wear concealer or foundation, is the blush. Here I have Colourpop Flame Luxe Lipstick. I put 5 dots in the middle of my nose bridge, middle of my cheeks, and on cheekbones. 2 dots on the cheekbones will give me that face lifting effect since I have pretty much chubby cheeks. This liquid lipstick didn't work for me as a lipstick. The color comes out nicely with that rosy curl, gave me that healthy sun-kissed look. I am actually testing out other blush products and I will update you guys soon. Now back with the eye curling. Pop and flip the out of it. Oh my god, I'm just gonna flip it. Okay, don't worry if you have some smudge. It happens, and since you don't wear foundation, you can easily erase it. Save the environment, use the same one you used before. Alright, it's not gonna hurt you, but you're gonna hurt the environment. So it's baby. I choose it a lot lately. It smells really cute, like it's fruity kind of smell, and the pink is not like dark kind of pink. It's not actually my skin color, but in a better way. So here is my look. As you can see, there's not much change and there's a lot of imperfection you can see, but that's the point of that you embrace yourself, embrace your beauty, embrace your imperfection, and love it. Because at the end of the day, if you can't love yourself, who can? Well, so that's it for today. I hope you like it, and if you enjoy it or you can learn something from this video, please show me some support by like, comments, share. I mean, do anything so the algorithm will spread my video to people. Also, if you want me to do something, just comment down below. I would love to read it all. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.